in your mix in.
And now we'll cut it.
And now we give it a shot. Cut it and eat it. That is the whole idea.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Buongiorno. This morning I'll be making a cake, something which my niece from Sicily, Giovanna, suggested. So I thought, why not? It's a ricotta and chocolate chip gateau. It's very simple, very quick, and you will be amazed how good it tastes. I'll start by showing you some ricotta, which I made this morning. I got up nice and early, and it's still a little bit warm, but I will need to weigh 500 grams, so I'll do that first. If you would like to make your own ricotta, take a look at the link up here. I will also post the same link at the end of this video, and it's fun and also can be considerably more economical than buying it already made. And you will know that it's your own ricotta, and you will know what is in it. So 505 grams, that will do nicely. As this is freshly made, it's a little bit lumpy, so I'm going to actually sieve it first, and this will make the ricotta smoother and also easier to cook. So job is done. I've actually sieved it twice, and it looks nice and light. This will make the overall thing lighter and much smoother. Having done the ricotta, I'll move on to the next step, which is about getting all of the ingredients ready. I've got 50 grams of dark chocolate. You could also use chocolate chips, but I like the idea of using the dark chocolate. It gives a little bit more of a traditional look, and sometimes easy things are not always the best. So just chop it with your fingers, and with the help of a knife, chop it into small chips. I would advise to leave some bigger, some smaller. You will find them all inside the cake at the end anyway. I think I'll stop there. Looking good. There are some bigger chips here, but also some very small ones, and of course some dust, which is all good stuff. You can use any chocolate you like. This is dark chocolate. It's my favorite in this recipe, but also you can use milk chocolate, you can use cooking chocolate, but the dark chocolate is the ideal chocolate to use. And now we move on to the main part of the recipe. 3 eggs. I will be breaking in them in a bowl. The fresher the eggs, the better. An initial gentle whisk. I will be folding in 125 grams of sugar. I will add my ricotta. Use a hand whisk for this job. I would not recommend using an electric one. If you were to use supermarket ricotta, you can use 50 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk. As I've made my own, and this is slightly drier, I will be adding 80 milliliters. Next, I will be adding 75 grams of cornflour. I'll do that in 2 stages. Once you're happy that there are no lumps in your mix, it's time to add your chocolate. And the last ingredient is the zest from 1 lemon. This is an optional ingredient, as it will give the cake a zesty taste, which will remind me of Sicily even more. I will be using a donut tin, as I think it's going to be looking a lot prettier, but you can use any tin of your liking. This is going to be plenty big for my mix. Also, I have lined it up with some butter and a little flour in case it gets stuck to the bottom. so it should be perfectly okay. So quite simply, pour in your mix in. I have made it slightly more difficult for me, as I've got this thing in the middle now to deal with, but that's not gonna stop me. Very quickly, with your spatula, just smooth it level as much as you can. And with a piece of kitchen roll, just clean the edges. In my case, I'll have to clean the knobbly bit in the middle as well. It will be going in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees, and then we can take a look in 40 minutes. See you shortly. Okay, 40 minutes have gone by. Just to check it that it's cooked, I'm gonna put a metal skewer through. I'll get it out, and as you can see, it's bone dry, so it's ready. I'm going to get it out off the oven on the worktop, and I'll leave it to cool down completely for a good 20-25 minutes. So it's cooled down 20 minutes, and I will be turning it around. What effectively the 20 minutes does, it shrinks a little, and then you can easily take it out of the tin without damaging the cake. So I have got a plate here. I will be turning it around. Nicely, it's already come out. There you go.
Ooh, there you go.
And there's still a bit of heat. I will be sprinkling some icing sugar on the top. This is optional. You could just eat it without the icing sugar, of course.
And now we'll cut it.
And now we give it a shot. Cut it and eat it. That is the whole idea.
I'm hungry.
Okay. It's still warm, so it's likely to taste better when it's cold, but I don't think Julie's going to wait.
No need to wait.
Okay. It's easier to cut it like this as a donut, I think. Is that enough for you?
Yeah.
So I'll do a piece for Julie, and I'll do a piece for me. Let's have a look at it inside first. Oh, look at that. And now we will... il momento della verità. We will try a piece. It's really light. Although it's made with ricotta, you can see that the sieving of it has helped, and it's also the lemon zesty you can taste, and the chocolate, just marvelous, buonissima. Grazie Giovanna, lovely cake, and thank you for watching everybody. Easy to make, all in all maybe half an hour, and ciao ciao for now, have a good weekend, bye.